Let's dive into the world of professional printing with the OKI Pro9000 series, a versatile machine built for creative industries. We'll begin by powering it up and preparing it for our test run. As the printer comes to life, notice the intuitive control panel and sturdy design. We'll open the input tray, where unprinted materials are placed, and the output tray, where finished prints will be collected. Now, let's load sheets of glassine paper, a smooth, semi-transparent material often used for specialty packaging. The OKI Pro9 is a 5-color multimedia printer, offering CMYK plus an optional 5th color, white or clear gloss. This extra flexibility allows printing on a wide range of materials, from standard paper to transparent films, and delicate substrates like glassine. Watch as the machine begins the print cycle. The sheet of glassine moves smoothly through the system, and you can hear the precise mechanics at work. Within moments, the design emerges on the output tray, sharp, clean, and ready to use. This is where the OKI Pro9 truly shines, delivering professional results directly in-house. Here's the exciting part: printing with and without a white underbase. With the white underbase enabled, colors appear bold, vibrant, and opaque, perfect for logos, labels, and packaging that demand visibility. Without the underbase, the design takes on a translucent, subtle look, allowing the background material to shine through. Both approaches open creative possibilities depending on your project's needs.
The OKI Pro9000 series proves that high-quality printing doesn't need to be outsourced. With its ability to handle glassine paper and other specialty materials, plus the option of a white underbase, it's a powerful tool for creative industries. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more printing insights.